So in front of me here, I have every single Huawei Watch GT5 series smartwatch. To be precise, there are a whopping 12 different styles to choose from. All are compatible with both Android and iPhones, all have Huawei's famed prowess in health and fitness features, which we'll dive into, and with premium materials like stainless steel, titanium and ceramic, I think no matter what your personal design preference is, the GT5 series should have you covered. Now this video is sponsored by Huawei, so it's not a review as such, but I will show you all the design models as well as go over all the core specs and pick out my favourite features. So to simplify things, you have two main models, the Standard and the Pro, and each come in two different sizes, 41 and 46 on the Standard and 42 and 46 millimeters on the Pro. And then the differing design spider's legs grow off them, amounting to a whopping 8 Standard design models and 4 Pro design models in total. They all inherit a similar design language that we've seen from previous gen Huawei smartwatches, and that is definitely a good thing, as they've always created some of the most stylish and fashion-focused smartwatches in the game. I'm one of those that loves a dressier smartwatch, and you definitely have those options here, but Huawei haven't ignored those that want something more sporty or robust either. So on the 41mm standard model, we have the black Fluoroelastomer, if I've pronounced that right. And you also have that in blue. You have a white composite leather option, the brown woven and gold Milanese, which is probably the most premium looking. On the standard 46mm, that title probably goes to the brown composite leather option, with the blue woven and black Fluoroelastomer the more casual and sporty options. But then we go Pro, and it's the white show, and that rhymes. On the 42mm models with either Fluoroelastomer again or ceramic, which is apparently inspired by the glimmer of sunlight on snow. Either way, I must say, wow, that rhymes again. I'm on fire today. It looks absolutely fabulous. Not for me personally, but if you like jewellery, bracelets, etc., beautifully bling. And then on the Pro 46mm, it's black Fluoroelastomer for the final time and titanium. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite pick. Now all we need is a diamond one. Huawei, if you could make one of those and ship it my way, that would be absolutely delightful. So plenty of beauty here with the mentioned bright whites, aerospace grade titanium alloys, gold, silver tones. But what of the brawn behind it? I don't know what this is. The brawn behind it. Well, the Watch GT5 Pro's face incorporates sapphire glass with a strong hardness level and impressive wear resistance with a Mohs rating of 8. And on top of the IP69K and 5 ATM water resistance ratings, it's also increased the free diving waterproof depth to 40 meters, enough to support the highest level of PADI, SSI and AIDA diving student certification. Now, interestingly, even though we have these premium aero-grade titanium alloy and ceramics on the 42mm Pro model, the weight has been reduced by 14.5% and the thickness by 0.9mm, again adding to that air of elegance whilst being pretty comfy on the wrists too. I've not got one on. They're all there and in the boxes. Probably should have put one on for this, shouldn't I? Oh well, we live and learn. Too late now. And that ceramic that's extremely delicate looking, but in reality hard as nails, takes a whopping 7 days to manufacture the material and a further 10 days of precise cutting and polishing for the end product. The lengths Huawei have gone to here is truly commendable. The comfort is also aided by the EasyFit 3.0 design on the strap, which makes it easier for you to switch out said strap, and this runs right across the entire Watch GT5 series. This also, on the Pro 42mm options, is the industry's first ceramic watch with quick release links. And then we have the brains, the software and key features under the hood. The GT series gets an interface facelift, which has been redesigned for apparent better clarity. Backgrounds are now color-coded, and transitions between screens are also smoother, so things just feel a little bit snappier. The AMOLED displays are bright and vibrant, and on top of the already classic watch faces, you have 12 new ones on the GT5, as well as 14 new ones on the Pro, each with a range of widgets and functionalities to choose from. Apparently this panda face can help you stay aware of your emotions from a glance, and the blooming brilliant one blooms throughout the day along with your activity progress. It's like a little flower thing that kind of grows as you're motoring around. You're probably not going to be doing this, because that's a bit weird. The Huawei Watch GT5 series now features a full keyboard input for text messages, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, etc. But on a deeper level, the Watch GT5 series is running on Huawei's TrueSense system, which helps to deliver comprehensive, cutting-edge sports, health and fitness monitoring. This is mainly down to these watches' adoption of 3 major technologies: multi-spacing optical path architecture, multi-region optical path design, and glass darkening technology. Now, this may all sound like jargony tech babble to you or I, but when stripped away, it means that health and fitness data is monitored at much more accurate levels. In particular, heart rate accuracy is now to within 5 beats per minute, even in challenging exercise scenarios like outdoor interval running and skipping. The Pro models also feature an electrode-built ECG button, which allows for ECG readings anytime, anywhere, and you can get a breakdown of your health status on the Huawei Health app, with important metrics like sleep cycle trends, exercise activity, stress, SpO2, and blood pressure levels, all available at a glance. And the app is detailed but simple to use, and I really like these super useful workout plans that can be ready to customize. Now, these workout plans are aided by the fact that the Watch GT5 series is also powered by Huawei's Sunflower positioning system, which boosts positioning accuracy through an adaptive algorithm to ensure highly accurate GPS tracking. Route accuracy has increased by 40%, distance accuracy by 30%, and pace accuracy by 20% versus the previous GT4. One such popular workout for many, of course, is running. Again, we're doing this. Don't do that. But what's crazy is that these watches have running form analysis, whereby the watch comes with its own running coach, helping you improve your running performance, which, as you can see, I need. Look at that. Whilst also reducing the risk of injuries. The professional data display detects ground contact time, vertical oscillation, and balance with an IMU sensor, giving runners the ability to analyze their form. So for those that clearly run like me, Napoleon Dynamite in moon boots, this might be useful. For you keen golfers out there, this might actually be a standalone reason to get the GT5 Pro, because it features Huawei's first golf course mode. This allows you to find and download more than 15,000 golf course maps from around the world, including more than 3,000 from the UK alone, which I think pretty much covers every golf course here. The 3D golf map allows you to clearly see panoramic views of the holes, including layouts of fairways, trees, bunkers, water and greens, so you're always well prepared. I just wish it could actually take the shot for me, because even though I can now see where the bunkers and water are, I'll still send it to the beach, and I'll still find the drink. The Watch GT5 Pro offers real-time GPS-based distance measuring for high-precision positioning, and you can see current location to the front, centre and back edge of the green, and from obstacles in real time, helping you select the right clubs. I'll still putt from 90 yards though. Short game, non-existent. You also have existing features such as green distance, wind speed and direction, green and fairway view. This is a top smartwatch for golfers. On top of that, you have special features for cycling, trail running and diving, just to name a few more. And you can use a full colour map for things like running, hiking and mountaineering. Of course, all of these features are absolutely pointless if the battery drains faster than Samo Farah. Cheeky Huawei wearable product ambassador gag there. So, the battery. Well, it sucks. No, I'm joking. It's as expected with all Huawei wearable products, insanely good. Both the smaller 41 and 42mm models can last up to a full week. with the 2 larger 46mm models going to a full 2 weeks, which is obscenely good compared to the rest of the market. A great selection of designs, some seriously top health and fitness features, Huawei as per delivering a stellar offering in the smartwatch game this year. All watch product links and price information, etc. will be left in the video description below, so go through and check it out if you want to know more. If you have any questions, let me know. I will try and answer them. If not, then I won't be able to. But hey, that's life. That's life.
Funny as it may seem.
Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it, that would be amazing. And all I ask is you subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Also check out my other social media channels for short form content on the new watches and other tech in general. My name's Adam, you've been the best as always. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. So ASBYT, peace out.